How to access Synchrony FAQs for credit cards and financing. Hello and welcome back everybody. In today's video, we are providing you with a quickly access FAQs for credit cards and financing from the Synchrony Bank. So let's just dive right into the video without any delay. So it's pretty easy. We can directly go to the Synchrony FAQs page, or we can scroll to the official website, and scroll to the section right here. Once we are here, we should be finding a customer resources section where we can find an option called frequently asked questions. So click on this option right here, and that should lead us to the page. And this page includes different sections such as credit cards, business and commercial, and contact us. So here are different FAQs available that you can check out. You can view the links available here and select the right category. For example, for new sign-in experience, you can select that option, and when you click on one of the questions, it should show you the related answer. This section right here also contains answers about payments, interest and promotional financing, and many more. Account management, lost, stolen cards as well. You can just go and view it right here. And at above, we also should find a search bar. If you find it, you can just go and click on this option in the search and go ahead and scroll or use the search bar in the page to look out for specific topic. You can switch between different tabs like credit cards and loans and contact and support as well, and go ahead and see. Usually this page covers things like how financing works, managing a credit card account, understanding billing, interest and payments, and many more. You can just go and look out for it. And this is one of the easiest way you can look out for the FAQ page of Synchrony very easily. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.